to my YouTube channel. It's Roxy Tyrell. Hello, hi. So today I have another Shein Tryon haul. If you guys want to see the pieces that I got today, make sure you continue watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and leave a comment down in the description box. All right, you guys. Go. Also, did y'all go ahead and hit the subscribe button? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So yeah, you guys. So yeah, today I have a Shein Tryon all. Putting some lip gloss on, girl. Wearing mask at work. My lips be chapped. So yeah, boo. Them juice in it. But yeah, go ahead and continue watching for this video, y'all. Okay. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you guys this bucket hat that I got. Yes. Ooh. What's up? I'm from the East. But yeah, you guys, it's just this really nice gray bucket hat. Cute, huh? Period, poo. But the first item that I tried on was this gray two-piece. It marks sport. I tried on something similar to this in one of the other try-on haul. It was orange, but it was like spaghetti strap. But yeah, this is this item. Clearly the shorts are bigger than me. I got this in a size small, but it's whatever, girl. Sis gonna get thick soon. Watch. The material is super soft. It has sport around the band. So yeah, it's a crop top. The next item I got is this two-piece. This is a second purchase. I already have one in like mauve, but it just marks stay home at the front of it. Really cute, really soft. I got this in a size small with some biker shorts to go with it. Super soft. It's summertime in Arizona. It get really hot, super hot, honestly. Hold on. Stay hydrated, boo. So I'm recording on my phone. The owner for one of my camera take it, and it me can't bother with the other camera. Honestly, me can't bother with it. Me rock with the phone. Convenient for me. So yeah. And the material on these are super duper soft. So yeah. I picked up a sports bra that I didn't know I purchased. So this is it. Me, I don't like padding, girl. I need to let these go free, boo. Go free. So I got this really cute sports bra. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's in a size small, I believe, or extra small. Small. So yeah, really nice. It fit me very well. This also is a second purchase, y'all. I got a purple lilac lavender-ish one in one of my previous hauls, and I went back and got the black one. I'm gonna see if they have any other color. It's super soft. I love it. But yeah, onesie is my best friend. I could just throw it on with some sandals or some sneakers, girl, and we out. Period. Super soft. The next item is this really cute olive green dress, boo boo. She's soft. Super soft. But yeah, it has the adjustable thing in the back. Love that. Also have a little slit in the front on the left side. So yeah. So I also got this crop top. Now you want to know a funny story? So this was a two-piece. It comes with the matching shorts. I gave my friend the matching shorts because I got this in a size small, right? The size small. Look, y'all see that? And the shorts that they sent with it was in a large, and I'm just like, I wish. Only if I was like that, but no, I gave it to her, so I kept the top. I also got some t-shirts. Got this blue one. It said Chinese culture with some Chinese writing. Dragon. It says 0660 2018 and hold on, I'm blind. At the bottom it says Chinese culture direction. So yeah, this is super soft, y'all, like mad soft. Got this in a size medium. Mind you, I tried these on, but my phone had died and the camera didn't catch the phone. It didn't get captured or whatever. But so this is huge. Oh my god! But this. It's just a red T-shirt with a dragon. I think I'm gonna get a dragon tattoo on my hand because I actually like dragons. I don't know. But yeah, the material is soft. This fits like an extra small, y'all. This is supposed to be a medium, surprisingly. But it fits like an extra large or triple X or something, boo. But this ain't no medium. Oh, y'all can see. That's that medium. It says medium on the top, but it's not medium. I actually love this. It's a hard dripping. This is the material in this is very sheer. It's not soft as the other items, but it's whatever. So yeah, it's just a black T-shirt with a white heart dripping. It's dope. I love it. And I want to go ahead and get a black and white here Jordan 1, so this will rock it out. Okay. Then my favorite T-shirt from this haul is definitely this black T-shirt with blue butterflies all over it, boo boo. So yeah, I really like this. His material is super soft. So yeah. And then I got this. Let me put this tripod back a little bit. Oopsie daisy. My bad. What the heck? Okay, we just gonna make it work. So I got this. It's a onesie. Material super soft. It got the dollar sign on it, girl. It's super mad soft, like legit soft. So yeah. Behave your damn self, oh. So this thing don't want to cooperate, y'all. But that is it for this little haul. Did I show y'all my bucket hat? Love it. I got some more on the way, y'all. Oh, I can't wait. But yeah, if you guys want to see more video from me, go ahead, like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Go ahead and hit subscribe. What is you waiting for? Come on now. Make sure you share the video, you know. I'm gonna post a video every Wednesday Mountain Time, Arizona time at 12 p.m. So don't be late. Make sure you check my videos out, y'all.